Good afternoon, all. Welcome to this installment of Autodesk Software with a Hack using Project Explorer to swap multiple parts, set reference services, and visualizing rule violations within those pipe networks. So three things we're going to touch on today. So swap multiple parts. So big feature with Project Explorer is no longer with Gravity Networks have to swap parts one by one. You can swap parts through the entire network, multiple parts at the same time. Set reference surface, so you can set that reference surface of that pipe network. So some cases you might want to just lay that pipe network out without a reference surface and then set that surface afterwards. So it can all be done within Project Explorer. And third thing, visualizing those rule violations so they're no longer buried at the structure and part level anymore. So you can see them as a whole and where they're violating and from making those changes within that pipe network. So Project Explorer has been out for a couple of years now. It came out with 2020 or 2021 release of Civil 3D. And Project Explorer is beneficial for any user can get something out of it. And it comes with the AEC collection. So I'd strongly encourage you, if you have the AEC collection, to download Project Explorer, use the tool, and start dabbling with it and find the benefits that work for your design purposes. All right, so let's jump into Civil 3D and let's look at these three components. So Civil 3D 2022, you'll notice on the Home tab, Project Explorer right here, so that's how you go ahead and launch that window. And keep in mind, fairly simple file, one of the Autodesk tutorial files, so Pipe Networks 3C. These come with your install of Civil 3D. So if you want to get around messing this file, this is the source of it. So Project Explorer right here, go ahead and just crack that window open. And as a high level of Project Explorer, it's a way to visualize all your AEC data in a nutshell. So those surfaces, alignments, points, all that jazz, done through Project Explorer. So first thing, let's go over here and we're going to go to our Pipe Networks tab. So this is our Gravity Networks, not our Pressure Networks. And a couple things we see here in our window. So first thing, we see red. So red indicates rule violation. We can hover over it, whatever that structure of that pipe is, and see what the violation is. So you can see structure 2, maximum pipe drop of 3 feet across the structure is violated by 38 feet. So big drop across that structure. Same thing with pipes here. So you can see our pipe cover rule. So pipe cover rule set to 3 feet, 3 to 10 feet, I believe, in the standard rule set for civil. So you can see maximum pipe cover of 10 feet is violated by 3.049, so about 13 feet of cover for that pipe. So easy way to visualize rules that you've set and see if you're violating them. Okay, getting into the other two components, swapping and setting that reference surface. So let's go over to our structures here. And you'll notice these are all our structures within this pipe network. So you notice here's our pipe network here. We have 12 structures, 11 pipes. And if you had another structure or another pipe network, you would see it here. So you could have multiple different pipe networks in the same file. So let's say we want to swap our files, or swap our parts. So structure right here. Let's go ahead. Let's just grab 3. So right here, and we'll just grab it and swap parts right here. So we right click, swap parts. And let's just go ahead and let's just grab some other structure. So say for example, let's just grab this concentric structure right here. Okay, and now we have swapped our structures. Same thing with pipes. So right here, go ahead and let's just grab a couple pipes, right click, swap parts. And you can see that 18-inch concrete pipe right here. So let's say we want to go up to the 24. And boom, boom, there we go. We have 24-inch pipes swap. So really easy to swap multiple parts in that file. Okay, structures right here. So you can see here's our reference surface. So we have that corridor surface. And then over here at the bottom, we also we have our pipe network referencing our EG surface here. So we can grab the same thing. Let's just grab our structures here. And unrealistically, but let's set reference surface right here. And you can see that road 1. But let's say we want to go to that EG surface, for example. And let's just grab that. And now we've changed our structure to reference that EG surface. And you can see now we have some other issues. Rim elevation of the structure not matching. So we have another violation now. But keep in mind, easy ways to do the crumps, these 3 things. So first, setting that reference surface can be done for multiple pipes, multiple structures at the same time. Same thing with swapping parts. You can swap multiple parts at the same time. So grabbing multiple structures, changing multiple pipes at the same time. You no longer have to go one by one when you're swapping parts. And then the third thing, you can see your rule violations, which is super helpful. So you can see where you're violating. Maybe your pipe cover is violated or your drop across your structure is violated, but really easy to see where you're violating those rules. So thanks for tuning in, and hopefully you got some of those. And definitely go check out Project Explorer if you have the AEC collection. Have a nice rest of your day.